I'm a vampire princess.
You look like a normal princess to me.
I am a normal princess, but it's Halloween, so I'm calling myself a vampire princess.
And I'm a dinosaur.
Roar. That's not a very loud roar, Emily.
I don't want to scare people.
Hi, Sammy.
Boo!
Great ghost costume.
Very scary.
Aw.
Oh dear, all Sammy wants to do is give someone a fright on Halloween and eat a cookie or two.
OK, children, I'm starting the judging now, and the scariest costume will get the Halloween rosette.
Ooh!
Looks like Sammy's had enough of the party already.
Aw.
Enjoy yourselves. I'll just be walking around, looking at all your costumes and writing down my score.
Everyone else seems to be having a fabulous time.
Very original indeed, Tommy, and not the easiest costume to dance in with those flippers.
I'm not dancing. I'm swimming, Miss Teach. Watch out. Here comes a big scary fish.
OK, who's next?
Arr, shiver me timbers.
Wonderful, Maya. If I didn't know it was you, I'd think there was a real pirate in the room.
I am a real pirate, which is why I'm so scary. Arr!
Maya seems to have impressed Miss Teach.
Ah, Sophie Play and Lucy Help. You are by far the scariest teapot and teacup I've ever seen.
Oh, banana coming through.
And what do we have here? Who's inside this costume, then? What did they say?
I don't know.
Well, a talking banana is scary enough for me. I wouldn't want to find you in my fruit bowl. OK, then. I think I've seen everybody. All I have to do now is pick a winner. That's not going to be easy at all. Everybody scored very highly. Oh.
How will Miss Teach choose the best costume when they're all so good?
Ah! Goodness me. This little ghost just gave me a fright.
This is Sammy.
Hello.
Hello, Sammy. You know, I've never been given a fright before, but it's actually rather fun.
Well done. You scared Miss Teach.
Yay!
And I think I'm ready to announce the winner of the scariest costume competition. The prize goes to Sammy Go for having the scariest costume and the best boo I've ever heard.